The fifth and final day of the EinsteinPlus program for 2026 consisted of sessions on black holes, properties of Earth, computational thinking and Planck's constant. A group photo was also included in the day's schedule. Please enjoy this fifth and final video in the series of EinsteinPlus.
Hi, my name is Kelly Foyle and I'm an outreach scientist at Perimeter Institute. I have a background in astrophysics, and in the session that we did today was on black holes. We looked at a few different activities. We used real data to trace the orbits of stars at the center of our galaxy that allowed us to determine the mass of the black hole at the heart of the Milky Way. We also looked at the lensing effects around black holes, and so we used an activity with fabric and a support to demonstrate why the black hole images from the Event Horizon Telescope are ring-shaped. And we also did an activity with the base of a wine glass that demonstrated, again, that ringing effect that we see not only with black holes, but also out with distant galaxies out in the universe.
My name is Laura Pankratz. I'm based in Edmonton, Alberta, but I'm part of the Perimeter Institute for Theoretical Physics' teacher network. And I'm a facilitator here at EinsteinPlus 2026. I think that the Perimeter resources and their philosophy can change how we teach science, and we can improve scientific literacy around the world. The session that we just finished was one on finding Planck's constant using Play-Doh, LEDs, batteries, alligator clips. Really a straightforward lab and tied to conservation of energy, something that we had talked about earlier in the week. Planck's constant is neat because it's one of the fundamental constants of our universe, and it's a chance to get something fundamental into the hands of the students.